Hey friends, it's Heather with Across the Fence Farm and bringing you an update on those very different veggie scraps, seeing what they will produce for food. And first up is parsnip. So there's that, and it's so funny because these guys, when you put them in water, they they get this round, they like grow this round bottom and then split. So that makes it challenging for them to stay upright. But you can see this one has some nice shoots and a little bit of green leafage because it is very cold and in dead of winter here, not a time that I can plant this out. And that really is going to be your best bet as far as future food from parsnip veggie scraps. And I would, once it get some good fronds and some leafage on it like this guy, I would plant it out like in late April. Of course, depends on your hardiness zone where you live, but that's going to give you more food because the ones I've planted out in the past, these parsnips, greens, you can add to your salad, just munch on, add to stir fry, etc. Number 2 is turnip. Same story as with the parsnip, both being root vegetables, not a time to plant out in the garden. But you can see it's got nice stalks and some greenery. So I'll clip those, use them, and then just compost the rest since it is dead cold winter right now. Now let's check out that most recent veggie scrap experiment, and that is red cabbage. So here's the bottom. Oh, look at those nice fresh roots. The brown gray ones, those are the scuzzy ones that were on it from being in the fridge a little too long. But you can see these nice roots. I have no idea what this is going to yield as far as I doubt there's going to be any greenery, but who knows? Could be. So just playing with it to see what happens, and it's always cool to have things growing in your kitchen that are edible. Next up is the very dependable romaine. I just put this in water yesterday, and as with others, you want to make sure and cut off a nice clean, fresh end to put in the water. It's already got a little bit of rust on it, no problem. And that water, of course, you need to use filtered water, and the only water I recommend is from a multi-pure. Check the info in the description on this to schedule your free drinking water assessment, and I'll give you information on what the contaminants are that are in your water source and how you can get rid of them with a multi-pure and have really great, fresh, purified water right from your tap. So that's the update. Keep playing with those veggie starts. If you like this video, please do click a like on there. Ask me any questions or comment in the comments. And please subscribe. It's a really great tribe of folks learning about sustainability and healthy living. I'm happy to be your guide and teacher. So see you at the next video. Keep great care.